Whether you're a business owner or a bookkeeper, you've probably heard about automated bookkeeping. Automated bookkeeping uses artificial intelligence, or AI, as well as machine learning to help speed up your bookkeeping tasks. In today's podcast episode, I dig deeper into what automated bookkeeping is and how you can start utilizing these practices in your business to be more efficient. If you're already utilizing automatic bookkeeping, you know how much time it can save you, but make sure that you're doing everything you can to ensure that your data is accurate. I'll cover how you can refine your processes and prepare yourself for the future so that you're taking advantage of all the benefits that come along with automated bookkeeping. Whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you know how time-consuming your bookkeeping can be. Listen in so that you can learn how to let automated bookkeeping work for you so that your bookkeeping entries get made even when you're not working on it. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Automated bookkeeping. Does this sound like a dream come true for you? It surely would make doing your own bookkeeping a much easier task. However, there's a lot of business owners and bookkeepers who are still on the fence about utilizing automated bookkeeping to help them save time. I totally understand where you're coming from, and if you feel this way, you're not alone. You've probably heard before how the computers are going to take over the world, or how robots will eliminate all of our jobs. But rest assured, these computers and robots, they still need our help. Let me start by explaining what automated bookkeeping is. Throughout this podcast, I'll be referencing the automated bookkeeping solutions that you can get with QuickBooks Online, but other computerized bookkeeping solutions are similar. When you process your bookkeeping data using an automated bookkeeping system, you're using artificial intelligence or AI to complete your data entry for you. This artificial intelligence, along with machine learning, can take your normal manual data entry and automatically record your transactions for you. The benefits of utilizing automatic bookkeeping are that you're able to minimize your data entry time, provide you with real-time data, reduce errors if set up properly, generate more accurate reports, and allow you to be more productive with your business. All these benefits are great, but you must also be aware of the drawbacks. With automated bookkeeping, you need to make sure that your system is set up properly. These automations are driven by rules that you need to create. If you don't create them properly, your information will not be accurate. Like I always say, garbage in is garbage out. So you need to spend some time up front to get the reliable information that you're looking for. You also need to make sure that you have a good review process in place, and if you catch any errors, you want to make sure that you're fixing them quickly to prevent errors in the future. When you utilize automatic bookkeeping in a computerized software system like QuickBooks Online, you can set up your bank accounts and your credit cards to automatically bring in your bank feeds. When you set up your rules, it will follow these rules and record your transactions for you. Think about all the transactions that you have in your business and how much time this could save you by having them recorded for you. You could also take this automation one step further and attach a scanned image of the transaction so that you have it on file for the future. It's extremely important for you to understand how and why each transaction that you have automated is recorded so that you can make changes along the way if needed. Let's say, for example, if you make an update to your chart of accounts down the road, you'll also need to know where you need to go to make sure that any future transactions get properly recorded as well. If all of this talk about automations make you nervous, I want you to know that it doesn't have to be an all or nothing process for you. You could simply take just a few transactions and set up the rules for these automations. I would recommend you follow how these couple of transactions move throughout your bookkeeping system, and when you feel comfortable with the transactions, add a few more until you have all of your transactions automated. Once you have your transactions automated, it means you no longer have to spend days or weeks manually entering all of your transactions before you can close your books for the month or generate your financial statements. You'll be more efficient by reducing the time-consuming, repetitive data entry. What could you do with the time that you save in your business? How much is that time worth to you? Where could you be more productive or add value in other high-priority areas in your business? Would you like more time to work on your business development rather than your bookkeeping? These automations can help you do just that. Computer bookkeeping solutions like QuickBooks Online are built for business owners without an accounting background so that you're able to do your own bookkeeping and collaborate easily with your accountant, CPA, or tax preparer. It allows you to spend less time on data entry and is, in general, more accurate. We as humans are prone to making mistakes, but artificial intelligence takes each transaction and processes it in the exact same way each time that it occurs, which reduces mistakes as long as you have everything set up correctly from the beginning. This is why I recommend setting up reminders and processes to verify and review your transactions to ensure accuracy. Automated bookkeeping is definitely helping you as a business owner take control of doing your own bookkeeping, but most business owners still need a little help from a bookkeeper or a CPA when they run into questions that they're unsure of. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? You can be stress-free in both your professional and your personal life. Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. I also have a daily coaching program where you can talk to me whenever it works best for you, 24/7, any day of the week. In either program, you get to work on your highest priority, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every session, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the day or the week to come. And Relief knowing that we'll meet again to go over anything that comes up after your session. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in either of these programs is an easy yes for you. I've set these programs up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the programs. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for these programs due to the one-on-one aspect, and they do sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the programs when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create these exact programs. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up for the Balanced Life Coaching Program today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.